Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make my own version of mangonada, and it's super easy to follow, it's super delicious, so let's get started. I'm making 2 servings of mangonada, so I started with cutting up 5 mangoes. So the amount of mango you're going to use depends on how many servings you are making. After cutting the mangoes, I place it in the blender, but you have to reserve some of the remaining mangoes for later use. I will be using 2 limes on this recipe. Into your blender, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, followed with half cup cold water and a can of mango juice, which is totally optional guys, but just in case you like to try, you can get this from your local Asian store. Now add your lime juice and ice cubes. Blend everything together until smooth or until mango mixture reaches your desired consistency. Next step is to season our glass rim. What I have here is a mangonada rimming dip, which I'm gonna pour some of it in a plate. And we have tahin on the other plate. I have 2 large drinking glasses. We're gonna dip these glasses into our chamoy and then to our tahin. And then add chamoy into our glass. And then our remaining mangoes. Now you can add your mango smoothie. And then you can add another layer of diced mango on top. And of course, you can also add chamoy and tahin. Then garnish with fresh slice of lime and serve your mangonada with tamarind straw. Try this mangonada recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.